Hi, welcome back. In the last two videos, we explored how to talk about the future using will and the present continuous. Today, we are moving on to another important way of expressing the future, going to. We use going to in two main situations. First, for plans and intentions, things you have already decided to do. And second, for predictions, when you can see the evidence right now. So, by the end of this video, you will know the structure, the meaning, and you will be using going to confidently in your own conversations. Let's get started. Now, it's important to know that going to has two different uses in English. Sometimes it's about movement. For example, I'm going to the park. Here, it means I'm physically moving towards a place. But in this lesson, we are focusing on a different function of going to, talking about the future. Look at this sentence. I'm going to watch TV. This is not about movement. I'm not walking towards the TV. It's about a future plan or intention. So in this case, going to works as a future marker, just like will. Now let's look at the structure of going to. In the affirmative form, we say subject plus am, is, or are plus going to plus base verb. For example, I'm going to watch a movie. In the negative form, we simply add not. She isn't going to travel this week. And for questions, we move the verb be to the front. Are they going to play football? So, the most important part is choosing the correct form of be, am, is, or are, based on your subject. Then, we add going to plus the base verb. Now that you know the structure of going to, let's talk about when to use it. We mainly use it in two situations. First, for plans or intentions. This is for something you have already decided to do. For example, you might say, I'm going to start a new course next month. That's something I have already decided to do. Second, for predictions based on evidence. That means we can already see signs of what's going to happen. For instance, if you see dark clouds, you can say, look at those clouds, it's going to rain. So remember to use going to for plans you have made or predictions you can see. All right, it's time to put what you have learned into practice. On this slide, you will see 5 sentences. Your task is to complete each one using the correct form of going to. Pause the video if you need more time. After you finish, play again and I'll show you the answers. Let's check the answers together now. Number 1. She is going to visit her grandparents tomorrow. This is a clear plan for the near future. Number 2. Watch out. That glass is going to fall off the table. This is a prediction with evidence. We can see the situation happening right now. Number 3. I'm going to start a new hobby next month. This expresses my intention for the future. Number 4. We are not going to buy that house. This is the negative form, showing a decision or intention not to do something. Number 5. Are you going to attend the meeting? This is the question form, asking about someone's plan. I hope you got most of them right. Remember, always use the correct form of be, am, is, or are. Then add going to and the base verb. Here are 6 real-life situations. For each one, decide which future form is the best fit. Will, going to, or the present continuous. Pause the video, think about your answers, and then continue to see the explanations. Let's check the answers together. Pay close attention to the reason for each choice, as that's the key to understanding. For the first one, the correct answer is A. I'll help you change it. Here we use will because it's a spontaneous decision or offer made at the moment. Number 2 is C. We are eating out tonight. The present continuous is correct because a reservation has already been made. It's a fixed arrangement. Number 3 is A. I'll answer it right now. Similar to the first example, we use will again because the decision is made at the moment you remembered the email. Number 4 is B. It's going to be sunny this weekend. We use going to because the forecast is the evidence we base the prediction on. For number 5, the correct answer is B. I'm going to start guitar lessons next week. This is a plan or intention that you decided on in the past, last month. It's a firm plan, but the focus is on your intention. Now, why can't it be C, the present continuous? Going to is a better choice here because the sentence emphasizes the plan you made, not the specific, fixed details of the arrangement. The present continuous would sound more natural if you said, I'm starting my first guitar lesson at 4 p.m. on Tuesday, where the time is specified. And finally, number 6 is C. I'm playing a football match with my team on Saturday. This is an example of a fixed arrangement. It involves other people and a specific day. It's organized. Now, why can't it be going to? You might think, I'm going to play is also a plan. But the key difference is that going to expresses an intention you have, while the present continuous emphasizes that the event is officially scheduled. Since you have arranged it with a team, it's more than just an intention. It's a commitment, making the present continuous the stronger and more natural choice here. I hope you felt confident with those examples. As you can see, choosing the right future form depends on the situation. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on the future with going to. You have learned the key differences and practiced using them. Just remember the simple rules. Use will for spontaneous moments, going to for your plans and clear predictions, and the present continuous for fixed arrangements in your diary. The more you practice them, the easier it will get. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more lessons. That way, you won't miss future lessons. The next video is coming soon, so stay tuned.